Got a 2020 Freightliner Coronado, Detroit, Series 60. New brakes, new steer tires, new airlines, a new belt on it, AC belt. Brand new tires, Firestone FD692, 295/75 R22.5. Almost brand new tires on the back. Put all new brakes on it. It's got the 4 big toolboxes on it, which is real nice. And that one's empty because the batteries are right here. Catwalk comes off with these little handles and you got to cover for the batteries. Changed oil in it, a new air filter in it. Freightliner put on a new water pump not too long ago. $201,000 miles, 918. It's fired up.